What is up, realists? We are back here out at the tree once again, just trying to see what we can catch. Feeling a little bit better today than I have been in a while, so very cool. But we brought some minnows, some night crawlers, all kind of stuff just to bring out here to see if we can catch any fish. We're trying to get a crappie off of this tree and get one in instead of losing it like last time. But let's go get on the reel. Let's go see if we can catch some fish today. First fish of the day with the itty bitty. Watched him follow it all the way up. Let go, buddy. There we go. A little bitty long ear here. Nothing too fancy, but first catch of the day. Close to the tree. Oh, man. Yep, that's two misses. I'll switch it over. Don't want to miss another one. That was two in a row. Nice. Switch time. I'm going to basically turn this into, instead of using the jig, I'm going to use a regular Aberdeen hook and a couple split shots. So we'll be back when we fix that up. That's not where I wanted to go, but maybe there'll be something out there too. There we go. Finally got one off the minnow. Something decent. What do we get? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, that's what we were looking for. Goodness, what a slab. What a slabby dabby. Woo. Nice one there. Check him out, check him out. Second, check this guy out. Nice. Got our first one there. Very cool. Right where they should be off that tree. Right up off in front too. So if you notice, I'm trying to stay off of the tree today. Didn't want to quite get near it. We're gonna let this guy go. Don't have any way to keep him. But I think he would have been a keeper nonetheless. So we're gonna put him over here away from the tree. But there we go. First crappie. Let that guy just sit there for a second. See if I can snag one real quick with a chunk of night crawler here. Oh, something did bite on it there on the way up. What do we get? Another long ear sunfish there on the night crawler, barely hooked. He was basically biting it as I was reeling it though. Pretty little guy. I can see you, buddy. Another minnow down. There we go, got something I think. Not big, but something. Goodness, that little bluegill wanted themselves a minnow. Slurped it down. Oh, nice hook set there. Well, I was going to try to share the minnow with them. Here. There you go. Keep that minnow for yourself. You worked hard for it. Nice little bluegill. Third one of the day. Off this tree. Went right back to the tree. Watch it shoot off. Oh, those are a bunch of good bites too. Yep. Oh yeah, bluegill swarm. There we go, got something else finally on the minnow. And a big bluegill looks like. Oh yeah. And then bluegill one in the minnow there. Right through the top of the nose again. Good hook sets. Nice. With a little bluegill here on the river. Off the tree. There we go. We get on the whole big old night crawler down there. Boy is hungry. Look at him. That night crawler's as big as he is. Give you that whole night crawler. There you go. I might be able to give him this whole night crawler. See you, buddy. I will throw it down there for you to eat though, because it is time to go. Hope that you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. I've got to get. So see you next time, and I hope you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.